Hi everybody, this is just a quick video in regards to my faceless flipping journey. Now, I've been on this for about 2.5 weeks, not even 3 weeks yet, and I'm hitting on nearly 300 new people that are following me on my TikTok journey, which is incredible. Some of my videos and my pictures are actually getting thousands of views, and I'm on my way. But today I'm going to be upgrading to Diamond member purely because of the fact that I want that 10 guaranteed sales, and on top of that I want to be able to hit this a lot quicker. Now, the TikTok journey in 90 days, 3 months, you can have a fantastic following doing exactly what I do. But if you're a little bit impatient, this is the way forward. Okay, so if you upgrade to the Diamond membership, you then get this done in a few weeks. That's right, you heard me, in a few weeks, and then you can start generating a bigger income. Not only that, you get your own TikTok shop where you can make money from that on the side. So I'm going to flip my camera around so you can see exactly what I'm talking about on my TikTok. Right, so as you guys can see, I'm on my phone and I scroll it onto the TikTok. Now, as you can see, I'm nearly on 300 followers. This is, as I said, about 2.5 weeks. And as you can see, my videos are hitting on so many likes. The latest one I did this morning, I literally done this video here. So as you can see, it's had over 1,867 people actually viewed this video. I've been testing a few things along the way. As you can see, I've had like 8 views here, 8 views there, 4 views here, 5 views there, 13, 20, like 32 views here, 7 views there. The one trick I've found is actually turning the pictures into videos. Why? Because of the fact that people are getting lazy in their time and they don't like actually flicking through pictures anymore. They like watching the videos. The videos are flicking through the pictures for them. So that's one hint I'm going to give to you. Also, pick 5 to 7 pictures that relate well with your story that you're gonna give them. Like if I show you this story here. So as you can see, it says POV. It's 1983 and you've just arrived in Miami, Florida. The warm ocean breeze brushes your skin as you watch the sunset paint the sky in a fiery hues. The city energy buzzes in the distance. Okay, so that's basically explaining the pictures. So it's getting them to almost imagine themselves sat at the beach or by the city, looking at the sunset and then seeing the silhouette of the city in the background. So those are the pictures that I've chosen, something that tells a story. So as you can see, like all the videos, I've only just started doing the videos, but they're getting higher jumps. So as you can see from down here, from where it says number 8 here, that was just a picture. This one goes straight into video. And look at the difference between 8 to 1,028 views. So this is the difference. I'm just going to flip my camera back round. So as you can see, the views and the videos are making a difference. So they are providing all the information for you. They're giving you the places of the pictures and the era. So they say in like 1980, you can choose between 1980 and 1989. The 1980s, the nostalgic era of that, is obviously doing very well on TikTok. So once you've chosen the pictures that you want to represent, then write your point of view. Have a look at what the pictures are telling you. Write down a few bits and pieces. Then maybe go to ChatGPT, enter that into ChatGPT, saying, "Can you give me a story behind this?" Make it shorter so it's not too many lines to read, and then post it on the video. Once you've uploaded the actual pictures, let it do an auto cut and then choose the formation of the video that you like. Take the original sound out and then put the sounds that they tell you to put into these actual pictures. Absolutely brilliant. Quick and easy. It doesn't even take me 90 seconds to do every morning. I do it 3 times a day. They tell you to leave at least 3 hours between each post. Okay, so then TikTok doesn't think that you're a bot, and then it starts pushing your videos out. So if you like this, if you like the sound of this, you can start building your business, your sideline hustle, whatsoever, up on TikTok. Then I suggest that you come click the link down below. This is going to go boom. This is becoming like amazingly brilliant. This is one of the best programs that I've ever been on. It's so simple to follow. It doesn't take too much of your time up. And on top of that, you know, you're going to get paid. You're going to get paid when you get into TikTok creator, the creators side of things, where you get a dollar for every 1,000 views that you get. So if your video gets like 100,000 views, imagine how much money you're going to be pulling in. And if you're not even creating those videos, and those videos are being created for you because you became a diamond member, then you're not even doing any hard work. You're getting paid for other people's work. So think of it, think logically, okay? Now, I'm going to leave you on that note. Click on the link down below and then come and join me on the other side.